Man sneeze 2 times. Yeah. You sneeze. Yeah. I do 2 times. Yeah. It's because I know. So help me understand something. So your brother sneeze. Don't you tell him sorry or something like bless you, my nigga. So if you tell him my fault, bro. I'm on no reason now. Bless you. Blessed, my nigga.